Welcome to Sauda, your friendly partner in learning. In this video, you will get to know how to get the total value of a range based on a specific criteria. Here we use the function SUMIF in Excel. In this example, you can see that one customer has more than one account and you can find the account balances of each account. Suppose you need to get the total balance of all accounts of a particular customer, say Sam. You can see he has more than one account when you look at this accounts table. This is where we are going to use the formula SUMIF. We can create another table and we will call it total balance table. Then we can type the formula in this cell G4 equal SUMIF open bracket, show the range that we are going to match and get the sum. Let me explain it further. As we are going to get the total balance against the name, we have to select the name column as the range. Here we go. Then put a comma, select the criteria which we are going to get the total balance. In this example, it is Sam, cell number F4. Then put a comma again. Select the sum range. Here it is the balance column. Close the brackets and press enter. Done. You can see the total balance of Sam's all accounts are appearing here. You can apply the same for any number of customers by simply dragging the formula. But before that, we have to make sure to lock the ranges we selected. So go to the formula, put the cursor at the beginning of the first range B4 and press F4. Do the same for the end of the range. Then put the cursor at the beginning of the second range, press F4 and do the same at the end of the range. Then press enter. Now you can simply apply the formula to the whole table. You can drag or just double click. So that's it. But there is another way to apply SUMIF. We will explain it by using the same example, Sam. We are going to type the formula again. Only change is that we can type the criteria instead of selecting it. So you can type equal SUMIF open bracket, show the range that we are going to match and get the sum, put a comma, type the criteria within the double quotation and put a comma again, then select the sum range, close the brackets and press enter. Now you can see it is really easy to get the total sum of a particular criteria by using SUMIF. Okay guys, we hope you learned something from this video, and for more videos like this you can subscribe our channel Sauda and press the bell button for notification.